So, how can we make more money? That's always a big question. So, first of all, look at when last did you increase your rates for your services? If you haven't recently done so, are your rates still relevant? Are they helping you to cover your costs? Chances are they probably haven't because things keep increasing in cost. So, therefore, you need to keep pace with that. And it's okay for you to increase your rates. You can find other ways to support your existing clients through workshops or additional services that you can offer them so that they are actually prioritizing some of their spending with you. So you might have to invest a little bit of money in some extra training, but it's completely possible to be able to add that extra revenue stream and to create some diversity within your practice. So you will be able to serve your clients better, but it also means that you have another income stream feeding into your business. The other thing that you can do, if that's not of interest to you, is you could have a low cost side hustle. You might like making natural beauty products or body products, or you might crochet, you might make dolls, you might want to go and work at another studio and just do a few hours so that you are connected to more people and that it gives you the ability to network. Whatever it is, that might just be enough to add another income stream into your business, into your life, so that financially you're better off. And those extra income streams that you've got, those are the ones that can really fund your dreams. So think about how can you make more money? What are some of the other options out there for you to be able to have the life that you want?